Now, finally, I would like to ask this as a feedback from you, Isidro, right? After going through all of this stuff in Business Manager, I would like to understand, and I would like to ask you, do you think now you know a lot about the insider stuff of how the business manager works now when it comes
Yeah,
to Facebook ads? Now, can
yeah.
you tell me, what three things did you learn from this particular live session?
About the pixel, that's the number one, the pixel, because that's we need for tracking for the clicks of the where the country came from, the visitors. That's we need.
And and you being a newbie, don't you think? Do you think this session was an amazing session for you?
Yes, that's amazing. That's true.
Right. So on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate my coaching?
Oh, I'll make it 10.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Means a lot. So where exactly you live in USA? Which city?
Yeah,
Which city do you live in United States?
California.
California. Okay, great. So thank you for giving me this feedback, right? And you're already on your way to making the best use of your Facebook Business Manager.
Nobody teach me that one.
The best part is you have 5 ad accounts to use in your Business Manager. This is the most amazing part. Okay, so this is where you finish this particular subject on taking your feedback. Okay.